Hello, welcome to Grandma Kathy's Art Venture. Today we're doing a brown paper floor. This is what I've been up to. Here's the products I used, just Elmer's glue all, and mixed it with water 1 to 1 and put polyurethane over it. This was what I started with, a messy linoleum floor. And I tore up a bunch of pieces of the brown paper, sprayed them with water, crunched them up, straightened them back out, and I'm ready to start. So I have my glue and water mixture mixed up. And like I said, it's 1 to 1, 1 part glue, 1 part water. And when I first started the floor, I was using this brush and brushing it on. And I started finding that the brush was actually kind of ripping the paper sometimes. So I ended up, after I do this part that I'm showing you, I end up using just my hands to spread the glue on the floor and then spread it on the back of the paper and then lay the paper down. So I will let you watch. This is a very time-consuming process, and it probably would have been a whole lot easier if I just painted my floor like I said I was gonna do. But I don't know, I get these ideas in my head and I just go with it. So this was the beginning of the process. You don't have a lot of time once you put that paper down. It will start ripping, so you kind of gotta straighten it out, flatten it out the best that you can. Um, and then you gotta leave it be because it will start to rip once that glue and water gets that paper nice and soaked. But it does work. It's pretty cool. And I laid all this down. And then what I did was I decided to go around all the edges with my straight edge pieces. Um, and then work towards the middle. So then I'll show you how I ended up just going around all of the edges. And then I started working towards the middle. So here I have it completely finished, and now I just have to let all of the glue dry, and then I'll be able to come back and cover it with the polyurethane. So here's the first coat of polyurethane that I put on there, and I ended up putting 5 coats of polyurethane on it. And this is after I had the 5 coats of polyurethane on it. And I'll give you some close-ups here of how it kind of looks close up. It's a pretty cool effect. I have to say I'm really happy with it. So I'm pretty excited. I moved on. I cut out my register here. I painted the register and put it back on. But I'm going to, well, I've already started painting my cabinets. So, kitchen redo. Thanks for joining the tag team collaboration this Monday morning. Hope everybody has a wonderful day. Thanks for being here. Thanks for watching. And August acrylic art was up first, then creations with Tanya. See you next Monday. Bye-bye.